Oh.
Hi, this is Rhonda with House from Home, and today I'm going to show you how you can make these fabric covered pumpkins out of toilet paper. I know, isn't that crafty? So let's get started. I purchased these squares here, already pre-cut from the fabric store. I believe these were from Walmart, and actually these ones came in a set of 5, and I want to say they might have been about $7. And they come in, the dimensions are 18 by 24, and if you have the smaller toilet paper, so these toilet paper rolls are from Costco, and they're thicker and a little bit wider than most toilet paper. I know, they rock. So one of the things I want to mention is a lot of times you'll find these quilting squares in 18 by 18 square. So that's going to make your toilet paper roll, you're going to want a little bit smaller than maybe the Costco one, which this is a Costco one that's been partly used. I mean, you know, right? Part of it's missing. So let me show you how I do this. Don't want to take too much of your time. We're just going to take some of this off, and Kitty's going to probably love that. Dude. His name's Big Paws, and he's kind of in the way. Yes, you're in the way. Okay, so we got just a big lump of toilet paper, and now we're just gonna softly wrap it around, and you can see how that's gonna give our pumpkin kind of a softer look instead of it looking like a toilet paper roll. we're gonna trick people. Okay, so that's nice and soft like this. Place it in the middle, and this is pretty easy. You're just gonna tuck, but you can see what's happening here. This is 18 inches wide, and so it's a little bit short. But if you're using regular toilet paper that's not the Costco kind, you're totally fine. And again, you could just take off some of the toilet paper like this one, so it's a little bit smaller, and then you're good to go. But this one, we're just gonna wing it and make it work. So we're just kind of gathering it, kind of make it all smushy, and we're just tucking it down into the toilet paper. Isn't that cool? This is so easy peasy. Just think you can go any colors, as long as you can find the material. Yay, so we got a little hole in there, right? I grabbed some pumpkin stems. These ones are fresh, so I'm being kind of naughty because you want them dried out, so you can get them on Amazon, you can get them on Etsy, or you can use pieces of twig, driftwood, anything you can think of for a stem. I'm just gonna place it in here. Pretty darn cute. It's nice and snug, but it looks maybe a little boring, so I grabbed some greenery. You can do anything. These are just what I had available. So some of them just pull right off like that one does. I think I'm gonna grab this one that has 3 and just kind of see what that looks like. See, you can just kind of add that. And you have a pumpkin out of a toilet paper roll. But I wanna show you just a couple little options that you could do with these. So you can grab some finishing ribbons right here. You can add, maybe you don't want the greenery, it's totally fine. You want something kind of fluffy, you can do something like this, right, like that. You don't even have to hot glue it, just snip it and tuck it down in there, bam, it's done. You can do, I would probably grab fatter ribbon, maybe something like this. I wouldn't match 2 prints together, I'd go solid. Maybe you want a little bow around it. You can get really creative. If you want those feathers, like the velvet pumpkins with the feathers, you can grab feathers and just tuck them down in there, and voila. I mean, there's no gluing. It's just easy peasy. So thanks for joining me today, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll have more for you.